Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for bad breath, updated. Dilute 1-2 drops of oregano oil in a teaspoon of carrier oil, swish gently for 30 seconds, then spit. Avoid swallowing and do a patch test on skin before oral use. If you feel burning, rinse and discontinue. Consult your dentist or doctor if symptoms persist or you have dental work. Use only high-quality, food-grade oregano oil. Prepare calmly and safely by gathering a food-grade oregano oil, a carrier oil, a clean spoon, and a small cup. Measure carefully and mix 1 drop of oregano oil with 1 teaspoon of carrier oil to avoid irritation. Perform a quick skin patch test on your forearm and wait for any reaction. If there is redness or burning, do not use orally. A cautious approach helps you avoid uncomfortable side effects. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and get more updates. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker seen here helps set timers and play calming music while you do oral care routines. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned earlier so you can find them easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use the diluted oregano oil blend by swishing gently for 20 to 30 seconds, then spit and rinse with water. Start with once daily to evaluate tolerance and never swallow the mixture. If you experience burning, numbness, or persistent irritation, stop immediately and seek professional advice. Avoid use if you have oral sores, recent dental work, or are pregnant. Store the oil safely away from children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.